Plastics are a key part of vehicle detailing. Think headlights, taillights, and pillars. But can you polish them? Absolutely. Here are some tips for polishing plastics to perfection. First, let's take a headlight with some visible defects. We'll begin by using a coarse pad with a heavy cut compound. This combination is perfect for tackling tough defects and scratches. When polishing plastics, it's crucial to keep the heat down. That's where a random orbital polisher comes in. By applying light pressure and letting the tool's random motion do the work, we can efficiently remove defects without causing the plastic to overheat. After testing, we've made significant progress, but plastics are soft, so there's some light marring left. Time for step 2. Switch to a finer pad with a lighter cut compound. A quick pass with this combination clears up the marring and leaves the headlight looking smooth and shiny. For pillars and other plastic parts, a light cut compound works wonders for defect removal and leaving a clear, glossy finish. With these steps, you'll be able to achieve professional results. Just follow the process and use the right tools for the job.